Hello. Long time no vlog. Hey. It is currently Monday, June 19th. It is Juneteenth. I have the day off from work, and tomorrow I leave on my first work trip ever. So that's cool and fun and exciting. I haven't vlogged in probably about a month. I haven't touched my camera in a long ass time. Because I've been getting used to work. I've been doing things, you know, just living life. But I do very much want to take you along on this trip and like getting ready for this trip, because this is a big like work adult milestone type thing for me. So I was like, oh, it would be cool to share. And then hopefully we can ease ourselves back into vlogging for the summer, because there's a lot of fun stuff that's gonna happen that I do want to share with you. Today, it's like 8 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. I have a lot to do. My apartment is a disaster. I have to pack. I have to take care of the dog. I have to, you know, just get my life in order so I can leave and get ready for this work trip. And then at the end of the work trip, I'm actually staying with Agata and Marissa. So that'll be super fun. And yeah, we're gonna be exploring Austin this week, so I'm excited. But there's a lot of things that I have to do before I get on that plane tomorrow. So my room's a disaster, but I just woke up. I have to get ready. I have to do so much stuff, man. I'm so sleepy. I don't know if you can tell. I have to take the dog on a walk first. That's numero one. Dog on a walk. All right, we're looking pretty good. That's some laundry I have to put away, but I'm feeling good about this. And so is Mr. Icky. But I am going, I think, to go to Target to try and get that fixed. I'm gonna get breakfast, and I'm going to go to the tattered cover. Once again, it is only 9 a.m. so we're doing very well. I have my bathing suit on, and if we get all of our errands done, I'm gonna go sit by the pool for a little while and just enjoy myself and have fun, because it has been raining every single day. I'm not even kidding. Every single day for the past 4 weeks there has been some kind of thunderstorm. Yesterday was the first day we didn't have one. Today we are also not having one. So I'm taking advantage, especially because when I get to Austin it's gonna start thunderstorming, which is rude, but whatever. So that is the plan. That's where we're at. I need a coffee really, really, really badly. I also have to take my meds. So I'm gonna take my meds and then we're gonna head out. So far, a very productive morning. Wouldn't you say, Mr. Iggy? He went on a nice walk, so he's feeling good. He was also very good around the other dogs. He didn't bark or freak out or anything. I'm proud of you. So I'm gonna give him a treat for when I leave. Oh, he did a sit. He's a good boy. It's Icky. I love him. He's a little menace, but I love him. Okay, that's what's up. Let's go. Hello. We are out and about. I stopped at Prodigy Coffee. Did not get a good look at the sign, but it's great. I think this is their second location. I cannot tell, but it's gorgeous in there and it's very fresh and clean. So I was like, oh, but I love their coffee. I got an iced mocha, as I always do, but specifically their croissants. They have the best freaking croissants ever. Beautiful, stunning. And yeah, they're my favorite. So we stopped here first. Now I'm going to look and see where the nearest tattered cover is. Delish. And then we'll pop on over there. It's about 10. I'm thinking of maybe running around a couple more places just because I can, because I'm out, because like it's a day off, why not? But yeah, next stop will be tattered cover. I think the closest one is about 15 minutes away from here, so off we go. So today is Juneteenth, as mentioned, and finding parking was rough, but I found parking and it's free because it's a federal holiday now, which is very epic and great. I'm headed to the tattered cover. It's freaking huge. I think it might be the biggest one. And I accidentally ended up in front of Union Station, which is cute and fun and fresh. So here's to a nice day. Okay, when it comes to vlogging, I feel so out of practice and like uncomfortable. I'm not even gonna lie. But today it's pretty empty, which is nice. So forcing myself to get used to it again. I am getting stares, but you know what? I always will, probably. So it's also so funny walking in another city, being from New York, because obviously I'm not gonna wait if the road is empty to walk across it, but everybody else does. And people comment it all the time, and it's just hilarious because it's like, I'm not wasting my time. Feel free to waste yours. I don't know, just something funny that I notice every once in a while. Here we go. Just finish this one. So I ended up actually hopping over to, I think it's called Hotel Teatro, because my friend Amanda was working there, just doing some stuff in the lobby. So I went over and said hey, and we hung out for like 2 hours. But it is lunchtime. I just grabbed myself a snarf sandwich, which I've never had snarfs before, but it's like a Denver thing. So that was fun, exciting, check it off the list. And now we're headed home. Then I'm gonna sit by the pool and enjoy myself. Hi, you wanna come up? You wanna come up? Baby. Hi. You want me to talk? Thank you. You're stinky. Hello, we're back home. I ended up staying out a lot later than I thought I would, but that was because I think I just said it in a clip, but I ran into my friend Amanda and we just sat and talked for a while, which was really nice. But yeah, that was lovely. Hi. Hello. 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 Now I'm here to take this little guy out, and then I'm going to the pool, baby. Whee! But first, I wanted to show you the books I got at the tattered cover, because I'm still generally on a book buying ban, except I had a tattered cover gift card for my birthday, so I used that. And then I also, if I'm going somewhere, I'm gonna let myself buy a book. So I'm going to Austin this week, like I said, and most of the things recommended to me were bookstores, because that's who I am. And I am not going to deny myself buying a fun little book on work trip. But also, the book I went for, they literally didn't have. They were sold out. So I will be trying to find it in Austin instead. So that's fun. 3 I ended up picking up were Stalking Shakespeare, which is a nonfiction, a memoir of madness, murder, and my search for the poet beneath the paint by Lee Durkee. And I hadn't heard of this, but after reading the little inside flap, essentially this dude had his life like go down the toilet, and he was like, I want to know more about Shakespeare, especially because every picture we have of him is slightly different, and he keeps getting like more conventionally handsome as the years go on. So he was like, who's the real person? I want to know. So that sounded really interesting, and I'm a big Shakespeare buff, if you didn't know. The next, oh yeah, almost all of these, I got 3 books. 2 of the books I'd never heard of, which I love doing. I love going in and just getting a staff rec, because most of the time, like, if it's something I wouldn't have heard of and it's really great, I'm like, yes, can bring this to a new crowd, you know? The Library at Mount Char. This was a fantasy, like, thriller type thing. And apparently it's a literary debut, and it just sounded really good. It sounded exciting. There's like some girl who apparently lives in a secret magical library, some dude who shows up and has to help her protect it, and make sure that things don't go to shit. I almost picked up the, what is it? It's like the Society of the Orange Priory, or the Order of the Orange Priory. It's something like that, but I keep seeing it and I keep picking it up and putting it down. It's just so thick that I'm nervous. And I was like, you know what, when it comes to this, I'm not gonna be reaching for it anytime soon, and I keep seeing it and thinking about it, so I will get it eventually. So I put that one down for the Library at Mount Char. And then my last one is The Luminaries, which is a YA book. And it just seemed fun. It's, you know, magical mystery, coming of age. If some girl has witch blood in her family and she wants to prove herself, and so she does a bunch of trials. And I was like, you know what, that's a classic formula, can totally get behind it, and the cover's gorgeous. So that was my little tattered cover haul, and it was so good. I'm excited. I love having new books. It's just so exciting to me. But yes, I'm on book number 29 for the year. I'm doing real good. I'm above where I'm supposed to be. Currently, we're set at like 52 on my Goodreads, but if I can make it to 100 this year, I think that would be kind of like dope as hell. So I'm just sort of trying to read as many books as I can as fast as I can. Just finished, I can't remember if I said that or not, but I just finished Red, White, and Royal Blue for my book club, and it was so super cute. I had read it a while ago, and I'd gotten 3/4 of the way in, and I just stopped reading it, and I don't know why, because it ended very adorably. So I loved that one. I just drove back, I checked my mail, there was nobody at the pool, zero zilch. So I'm gonna go now while I can still like have my peace and quiet, read my book, and chill, and that'll be so nice. I literally cannot wait. I do need to put on sunscreen though. I didn't ask you. I do need to put on sunscreen though, but that's all right. We're being sun safe and health conscious this year. Also, I can't get over the fact that I have that neck, you know, the neck paleness compared to the chest. I don't know how anybody gets rid of that except by putting a lot of foundation on. But yeah, so that's just something I keep noticing. Anyways, let's go. Also, the snark sandwich was really good. Glad I tried it. Yeah. I'm trying to think, was there anything else? Not really. We might play tennis later, but it's really hot, so only if we want to die. But anyways, to the pool. I'm not that red. I thought I was a lot redder. That's good. It is a few hours later. I have been resting and doing laundry and hanging with Nasty. So we are about to go play tennis and have some fun, and then we're gonna have dinner. I get both a carry-on and a personal item, so let's pack that. I'm like, what will I even pack? Because this is a short trip. I don't know what to bring. Maybe like, I'm only gonna bring like 2 books, one I'm reading and one to read. Although I probably won't check a carry-on then. I'll just bring my personal item. Oh no, I can use my purse and my backpack. That's better. I'm thinking of my carry-on as like I can only use like the big white chunky guy. Okay, no, that'll be easier. That'll be better. We'll do that. Okay. Are you okay, Iggy? Iggy just threw up. Iggy threw up. Poor Mr. Iggy. And then he went and he wanted dinner. Silly. Silly, silly, silly. But yes, excited to play tennis. We've been playing tennis as much as we can recently. We bought tennis rackets from the thrift store, and they were only like $5, so slay. Oh, I was also gonna say things. I was gonna update people on what was going on. As we know, I have this trip to Austin right now happening tomorrow. And then we get back, and then it's Kennan's birthday the next weekend, and there's some fun things planned for that. And then the weekend after that, we're going to our first concert at Red Rocks, which will be fantastic. It'll be the Avett Brothers. Never seen them, never been to Red Rocks for a concert, so very epic. And then the week after that, I'm going to Mexico with my friend Mackenzie, and that'll be fun. We're gonna go to Cancun, like just to vibe. It ended up being not too expensive, and there's a lot of like random corporate discounts that you can get apparently, so I'm using them. And then the week after that, we're going to do some fun stuff at Red Rocks again. There's a Mamma Mia showing that I'm going to with some friends. That'll be so incredible and wonderful and just the epitome of summer. And then the week after that, I'm going to Utah for another work trip for our national sales meeting. So July is jam-packed. And I actually originally had an idea that I want to upload every weekday of July because I wrote down all the videos for it. I just don't think I'm gonna have enough time to edit. But I want to film everything and then just make it so I upload a lot more frequently over the whole summer. So we'll do that. But yeah, I hope I can put out a bunch of fun stuff this summer because a bunch of fun stuff is happening. Those are our updates for now, and it's not a Pleasant Dennis. There he is. This is a much later update. We did tennis for a little while and got kicked off like 20 minutes in. But now showered, chilling, gonna get some ice cream. I'm gonna stop this vlog. But thanks for watching, for coming along, and we will catch up with you in Austin. I'm excited. It'll be fun. Okay, bye.